Out here.
Woo! Crazy BTV. It's all cold and ice down here. We all fucked up.
Hit the little cold start out here, man. Go get behind.
Go get the cold start going. Look, dogs done shit all over the grass.
Okay.
Alrighty. 20-degree weather. Cold start. That's something I didn't even want to crank up. So apparently we can't even open the door.
Bro, it's so icy.
Look at that. We can't even open the door.
It's so much ice on the door, you can't even open the door.
Oh shit.
Damn. Bro.
Yo. That's what you call a frozen bee. That's frozen bee right here.
Walk around this thing.
This ain't crazy bee no more. This frozen bee.
I can't even open my door, bro. What the hell?
This right here is frozen bee.
Open it on that side.
Alright, so we managed to get the door open.
I had to jump through the inside to get the door open, bro.
Had to jump through the passenger side.
Back.
Ooh wee! Look at that. Even a fuel it. Even a fuel it. "2018, we out here, boy."